Sir, this is nonsense, sir. This is nonsense.
Sir,
What did you say?
Sir, I said I am nonsense, sir. I don't have the sense.
There is a piece of shit over there. So, Mr. Anand Bengal, can you please spell me?
Sir, I refuse to because I think a racist term and I don't want to participate.
but sir, most of the people in brown people born here then. White
Uh,
pastry in a brown
if,
world.
if you want to. And again, I would like to say very disappointed in the class. So that's why I decided to have the fourth round, which is the slang round.
Urban
The
Dictionary.
what?
Slang
The
round.
slang round.
Can we
Sweet
have
slang.
can we have Yankee glasses for the slang round?
Slang.
You can put them on. I don't have mine.
Wallahi. I'm ready for this,
Okay,
sir.
yes. So first word of the slang round is kyaki.
What is the flying round?
What do you mean? What is the slang round?
I
So
don't
there are slang words that
slang
people
or
from
slang. Sir,
certain place use.
your pronunciation is out of my reach, so I understand less.
What do you mean slang? I just said
You
slang.
you very high level understanding. I slow.
Okay, you slow. Maybe you should get new soap.
Huh?
Huh? What?
The one that
haven't
washes
you?
faster, sir.
Yes, this guy understands my jokes. +1 for you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, let's go.
Sir, I also understood, sir.
No, you didn't. You were
Sir, he
questioning me.
only drops the soap, sir. He doesn't wash, sir.
I see, I see. Very smart.
I get this one.
Okay, now word for you, Mr. Honey, from the slang round. First word,
Yes, sir.
kyaki.
Sir.
The meaning for this, I will give you the meaning. A word used to describe a girl who is an attention whore or loud and obnoxious.
Gotham.
Sir, can you use it in a sentence where Rohan is mentioned?
No.
Sir, is there any sentence that you have, or should I just go with the spelling, sir?
I mean, does that make any difference?
No, sir. But I want to hear, sir, how people use it in a sentence, sir.
Oh, uh, I started to like that girl, but I found out she's a kyaki.
What?
Okay, sir.
Yes?
Sir, it's Kyaki.
Kiati?
You said
Yeah.
kyaki.
Cat.
But actually that's wrong. It's Cyattie. It's
What?
kyati.
Sir, where is from D coming?
Sir, sir, 2 seconds ago, sir, your T was key. Cat key.
No, it was kyati.
Okay, sir.
But you didn't start
Audio
it from
issue.
you didn't start it from C anyway, so you are wrong.
Okay, sir.
Unfortunately, but you got +1 this round for laughing at my joke. So
Sir, question.
no question for you. Mehak,
Yes.
get ready. Your word is nyai.
Oh,
Please spell nyai.
is
The meaning for this is how Toronto mans flirt.
Nyai, nyai,
Yeah.
Nyai.
nyai,
Yes.
Nyai.
Please spell nyai.
nyai.
okay. Okay. Uh, N
Yes.
E H Y A N N N N N N N N N.
No, that's wrong. The correct spellings are Nyaah. Nyai.
Oh, so there
Like
is no N in this
so
one.
they're actually
You
trying
said
to say
nyai.
no, you're not hearing correctly. So they're actually trying to say ya a. So YEA space EH, but they are from Toronto, so they are saying Nyai.
So what is
Like-
EH?
EH is like A.
A.
Like
Sir,
ABCD?
Hey, buddy.
Yeah.
Hey.
Canadian.
Nah.
Hey,
Eh?
like-
nobody.
Canadian, eh?
Wanna go to Tim
what do you
Hortons, eh?
say?
You got some double double,
He said,
eh?
he said something with L.
I
Lode?
didn't hear it.
Lode.
If it's for you, I just in from one ear, out from other one. Next one, Mr. Iron Bengal,
Yes, sir.
our exchange student. Your word is holy.
HOL capital Y.
Actually, I would like to change it. It is holy. Now spell it.
HOELY.
I would like to say it again. Holy. Now spell it.
Oh,
Sir,
holy.
I'm feeling very attacked.
No, please try to
Please,
spell it.
can you give me a definition?
When I looked at her booty, I went, holy.
Was that Rohan's booty?
That is a secret.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Iron Bengal, please.
Can I get the language?
The language is a Toronto slang, a Toronto language.
Let's say I'm from Sweden.
But you're trying to study in my class. We study in Toronto, so that's why I'm asking you Toronto slang. When you come to Toronto and you see a booty, like you should know what to say.
I say, yeah, I mean, HOLY.
That's how you might use it in Sweden, but I said holy. So there's so many O's in between. HOOOOLY. You were close.
Oh,
So I will give you half a point.
Sir, you said so
I'll
many
take it.
hoes. Where are hoes?
in different area codes.
Yes.
Can
Good.
you give me
Actually,
one?
you
I
know what?
want to see
For
female
that, I will give
genital.
you half more point.
Oh,
I
let's
got full points.
Sir, can foreign student, can you get me number? I want to see female genital.
Okay. Let's just ignore him.
I'm feeling attacked.
Okay.
Like my parents did.
Oh, yes. That's why you're like that. That explains. Rohan, your word is. Are you ready? Your word is ok.
What?
What?
Did you burp, sir?
No, your word is ok.
The audio issue, sir. Can't hear.
Audio?
Sir, your mic cut out.
What?
No, I guess that's
Okur.
the word.
Okur.
Oh.
Oh, cool.
Anu, do you understand?
Kind of.
I understand, sir.
Can you
Yes.
repeat it for him?
It's Okur. No, Okur.
Can I get the origin, please?
Yes, like that. Origin is Cardi B.
God.
Can I get a definition?
There is no definition actually.
Can you
She
use
just
it in a
says
statement then?
There is no statement. When you want to say that word, the word is the whole sentence.
Oh, cool.
Yes, that. Spell it.
O
As in doctor.
K U R R R R. R
No,
R
that's
R
wrong.
R R.
Are
R
you
R
sure?
R R.
That's
R
it?
R R R.
When are you going to stop?
That's it.
That's it?
R
if a
R
female-
R R.
This guy, man, doesn't let me talk. You're wrong. Because there is a silent T at the end.
For fuck's sake. मैं फिर
It is
Sir. Sir. One
so
more
you
F-bomb,
are
sir.
wrong. I've actually yes, -1 for talking back to me. So yes, you are losing. You can go if you want. Gotham, your word.
Sir, question. Is Cardi B like Home Depot? What is Cardi B?
Cardi B is a rapper, female rapper.
Oh, I thought it's like a company.
No,
Cardi
no,
B.
no, no. Cardi
Like,
B, like Migos, Offset,
oh yeah,
Offset,
yeah. I hear the
Offset's
rap.
wife. Yes, Offset's wife, Cardi B.
I don't
Raindrop.
think we should be
Drop
talking about
He,
Offset's wife like
he
this.
disrespecting the education notebook. That is very disrespectful. I am offended. Please
I
do
am
not
packing.
like.
I am packing my bag.
Okay, you can talk to me after class. But okay, now we are going to Gautam. Your word for the slang round is pussyo.
Do you have to spell it by saying this?
Yes,
Oh,
that's how you pronounce it. I think that's what you mean.
Oh, you mean Pusio.
Yes. Do
Can
you want
you,
the meaning?
sir, can you at first give me sentence?
Sentence. Okay. Mehak is scared of everyone. He's a pussyo.
Oh. And can
At
you
least this
also,
time it wasn't Rohan.
so Pusio means weak guy, right?
Uh, I can only give you the meaning. I can't tell you if you are right or wrong. Like,
What is the meaning, sir?
meaning is pussyo refers to an individual who lacks physical and mental strength and who may or may not stand up for themselves.
Oh, like mentally challenged. Okay, I get it.
No.
what?
Oh, okay,
But
okay.
yes, please, Gautam, spell
That is very offensive.
pussyo.
Sir, I would say Pussio.
You know when you combine P and H, that becomes fur. So
Puss.
you're saying a fusio?
Can I retry, sir?
No, you can't.
No, no.
Sorry,
Negative
sorry.
No, you
marks.
can't.
Okay, sir. I understand, sir. I'm sorry.
I am very disappointed.
I'm so
The-
sorry, sir.
Puss.
You're actually saying a fusio. That's what happens after eating a mooli wale parathe.
Puss.
Oh,
Puss.
That's not what we're talking about.
okay, sir.
Puss.
Okay, so 0 for you. Now last word of this round and the whole spelling bee contest. Pannu. Your word is oi.
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 Like, is it like the British accent, like "Oi, mate"? That one?
The meaning for this is used to attract someone's attention, especially in a rough or angry way.
So is it like "Oi"?
You just have to spell it for me, man.
Sir, it is the same in Punjabi too.
Use
know?
Oi.
use it in a sentence.
Oi, mate.
It's Australian, sir.
That's what I said.
Australia.
No, it's not.
Like it's O-I-I-I.
Is that your final answer?
No, it's wait. That's too many eyes. It's like
On me.
that's O-I. O-I.
Sir, wait. Sir,
Yes.
if that's his final answer, I would like to give it a try, sir.
No. That's not how this works.
If he gives,
Okay,
I give
wait.
two.
Wait, okay.
You give pussy.
Okay, Panu, your final spellings are
O-I-I.
O-I-I, 2 eyes. Honey, just because you asked, what are your spellings?
Sir, it's O-I-H.
Both of you are wrong.
What?
Only O-I.
You had a try for H. Oi. Oi.
Where's the H?
Where did that
Where
H
is that
come?
coming from?
Oh, I said O-I first, so can I get half a point for that?
No, you can't. Because you changed it. You're doubting yourself. I want to teach this class confidence.
Well, let's go. I got minus.
Yes, so that's the end of the spelling bee contest.
Oh.
That was all the questions that I had for you. So yeah, overall, I'm very disappointed in this class because you all
Before you
suck.
go,
Who
sir,
has been
before
the
you
more
go, I would,
disappointing?
please wait, I am talking, sir. Before you go, I would like to thank you for teaching us. You are a very great teacher, and I always tell everybody about you. I will also wish you on Teachers' Day 4 times,
Sir,
and
Four times?
that's about
sir,
it.
sir.
Yes.
Can
Yes.
you keep in mind that Pannu was late for class. So
Oh yes.
that's
He was,
Very good point.
sir, he was 30 minutes late, sir. 25
Very
to
good
30
point
minutes.
actually.
he
For
was
that,
30
even if
minutes
he's
late,
winning,
sir. Yes.
For that, even if he's winning, we'll not let him win.
Yes.
Sir, I would like to say you are best teacher. I hope I have you in next semester.
Can we
he's
also
copying
say
me.
Gautam went to get a Zinger burger before class?
No, that's fine.
No, sir,
Sir,
but his
sir, see,
thoughts
he's
were not
trying
nice,
to,
sir.
bully me, sir.
I have my
ਕਿਹੜੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਘੇਰਾ ਪਾਲਿਆ ਕੱਢੇ ਅਸਲੇ ਚੱਕਦੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੁਕ ਵੈਰੀ ਕਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿਣ ਯਾਰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਛੱਡ ਗਏ ਨੀ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੇਰੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਸੀ ਟਵੀਟ ਹੁਣ ਤੂੰ ਬਥੇਰੇ ਕਰ ਲਏ ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣ ਕੰਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਨੀ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਿਊਜ਼ ਬੁੱਥੀ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਔਨ ਸਕਰੀਨ ਬੈਂਕ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੇਰਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਲੋ ਕਰਨੀ ਪੈਣੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਹੌਟ ਅਪ ਸਟ੍ਰੀਮ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਣੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੁੰਡਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਧੱਕਾ ਜਾ ਸਕੈਮ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਵੱਲੀਏ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਫਰਕ ਨਾ ਪੈਣ ਦਿਲੋਂ ਕੱਢ ਦੇ ਤੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਹਿਮ ਕਦੀ ਆਉਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਤੇਰਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਵੱਲੀਏ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਫਰਕ ਨਾ ਪੈਣ